Hi all, I'm thrilled to tell you about a fantastic family event coming up. The Integrated Children's Centre in Pentrebach are hosting a free family fun day on Friday, August the 8th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And when I say fun, I mean it. We're talking inflatable salt courses, magic shows, arts and crafts, and even a bouncy castle. It's the perfect opportunity to create some amazing memories with your little ones. Halo are also offering an inflatable pool challenge every Monday and Wednesday throughout the school holidays at Merthyr Tudful Leisure Centre. Spots fill quickly and pre-booking is essential, so call 01685 727 476 or pop into the centre to reserve your spot. As you see, I'm here today at Trearis Boys and Girls Club, where activities are running every day throughout the holidays. These fun-filled activities are sure to keep your kids really busy. They got activities such as table tennis, a kids cook-off and an art lab, which are all completely free. The family-friendly Construction Open Day is returning to the Campus Community Centre on Wednesday the 6th of August between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. There'll be a range of construction-based activities suitable for the whole family throughout the day, including some plant machinery for you to sit on and even get your picture taken. Information about construction-based courses at Campus for Adults, including carpentry, bricklaying and plumbing, will be on hand. There'll also be recruitment agencies to chat regarding vacancies and how to apply. There'll be no need to book, so to please just turn up on the day. That's all from me this week, so have a great weekend, enjoy the sunshine, diolch.